In a previous video, we did the front splitter for this car. In this video, we're going to finish out the quick release system, so stay tuned. Welcome to another video. For the front splitter, I use a quick release system from Professionally Awesome. It's just a latch that quickly allows you to remove or put on the splitter, and I need this to be able to load the car on and off the trailer. I've been running the system for probably about a year or so now, and I really like it. I did just a quick release system earlier, and that was just some cables that came through the bumper, and I had like some little key tag things on there, and you could just pull and release them. While that system worked really well and I really liked it, there was starting to get some rubbing on the vinyl, and it was kind of rubbing through the vinyl. So I am going to make a new release system that will not come through the front bumper. What I'm thinking of doing, instead of having the cables go forward, and I'll show you once I kind of dive underneath the car, but what I'm thinking of, instead of having the cables go forward, they'll go to the center. There will be a pivot system, and then just one pull cable or something be able to put on there, and have the pull cable somewhere, you know, in the engine bay or somewhere. Have the pull cable, pull it, does the rotation, pulls the latches, everything falls off, and we're good. So let's take a dive under and take a look at the actual quick release latches. This is the quick release system. You got the latch. It's just a normal latch, and it has this piece right here that can release it, and it has two holes on it, so it can either kind of be pulled forward or pulled in this direction. So what I've done is I have this cable, and it goes to this pivot system right here in the center of the car. I've used a whole bunch of shoulder bolts that each of these things will ride on. I got a pull cable, just one from Amazon or something like that, to be able to pull and pivot this system. So let's give this thing a try. We'll latch these guys up, and then we'll pull. Nice satisfying sound. So both of them pull together. There is a little bit of I don't know if you can see it, like the things pull inward as I pull on this. I don't think it'll be that much of a problem when these are actually latched on the splitter. The splitter will keep them from pulling in, but I might put some kind of rod or something going across to basically hold these out to keep them from pulling in, but don't think it's that big of an issue at the moment. Now we just need to get this guy mounted up to where it's easy to reach. This bracket system is a piece that I kind of fabbed up. So this is completely custom for this car, but this piece is purchased off of Amazon. All the hardware was basically purchased off of MasterCar. The cables were purchased off of MasterCar, and then the metal was just scrap stuff laying around the shop. But let's get this guy mounted up. Pull lever is all installed. Easy to do right there. We'll have to open the hood in order to get to it, but that's not that big of an issue since I do have the quick hood releases on there. But just something to be aware of, that have to open the hood in order to release the splitter, but that's all right for me. Now let's get the splitter installed, and we're gonna try her out. The splitter is all installed on there. Let's try it out. Seems pretty good. There we go. Yes, very nice. There we go. A nice, quick, easy video for this one. I've seen a lot out there on how to install a splitter, but not so much on the release system. So the quick release system from Professionally Awesome is really nice, but they don't really have any products out there for actually actuating it. Everything to do that is completely custom. So this is just what I came up with to do the release for the front splitter. I really like how it turns out, and hopefully it stays robust enough. But that is it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Later.